Hey car enthusiasts and Mazda fans, buckle up, because today we're taking a peek into the future and exploring the potential of the much-anticipated 2025 Mazda CX-30. While official details remain under wraps, rumors and industry trends have ignited speculation about this next-generation compact crossover. Remember, this is all based on what we know so far, not official confirmation from Mazda. Refined design, a balance of elegance and sportiness. The current CX-30 is known for its sleek and stylish design. The 2025 model might take that a step further. Imagine a subtle evolution of the signature Mazda Kodo design language, with even smoother curves and a more dynamic stance. Think redesigned LED headlights with a sharper look, flanking a potentially mesh-filled grille for a more upscale feel. Leaked images suggest a more sculpted, hinting at the potential for a sportier driving experience. The overall silhouette might retain its familiar proportions, but with more prominent character lines and aerodynamic touches for a more modern look. Elevated interior, comfort meets technology if rumors are true. The 2025 CX-30's interior will be a haven of comfort and cutting-edge technology. Picture upgraded materials throughout the cabin, creating a more premium feel without sacrificing Mazda's renowned driver-centric focus. Imagine a redesigned instrument cluster with improved readability and a central touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with the dashboard. Speculation suggests the system will be the latest Mazda-connected iteration, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and a user-friendly interface that minimizes driver distraction. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning might be further improved for enhanced safety on the road. Powertrain options. Efficiency and potential electrification. Mazda is known for its commitment to driver engagement and efficient engines, and the 2025 CX-30 is unlikely to disappoint. We can expect an upgrade to the current powertrain options, potentially utilizing mild hybrid technology to improve fuel efficiency without compromising performance. But that's not all. Rumors suggest a plug-in hybrid variant might join the lineup, offering the option for short electric-only commutes and lower emissions, catering to the growing demand for sustainable transportation. Focus on driving dynamics. Remaining fun to drive. The current CX-30 is known for its sporty handling and responsive driving experience. The 2025 model is likely to build upon that reputation. Imagine an improved suspension system that offers a comfortable ride on the highway and inspires confidence on winding roads. Speculation suggests a potential increase in steering responsiveness for a more connected feel behind the wheel. Mazda's commitment to driver engagement is likely to remain a core principle in the 2025 CX-30. The 2025 Mazda CX-30 has the potential to be an even more refined, comfortable, and technologically advanced option for those seeking a stylish and fun-to-drive compact crossover. What features are you most excited about in the new CX-30? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content, fueled by confirmed news and speculative dives into the future.